first course is a thank you to Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles. And let's be honest, exactly the God you want on your side before a 2-hour dance recital. Here is what to watch for. Bharatanatyam has a whole silent language made of hand shapes called mudras. Keep your eyes on Rupa's hands as he brings Ganesha to life in the air. The elephant head, the trunk, the wide ears, all built from nothing but her fingers. No props, no costume changed, just 10 fingers becoming a god. Once you start noticing the hand, you will not be able to stop, and the whole evening opens up to you. This will immediately be followed by Alaripu. The name means a blooming flower. That is exactly what it is. Watch how the dance opens up. It starts right at the top with just the eyes and the neck moving, this tiny, precise little slide of the head, and then it slowly travels downwards, waking up the shoulders, the arms, the whole body until the flower is fully open. There are no words in this one. There are no story. It is pure rhythm. The dancer simply warming up the body and the room at the same time. Think of it as a palate cleanser before the flavors arrive. So keep your eyes on her eyes to start with. So with our thanks offered and our obstacles politely shown the door, let us begin.
गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं 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 भजामि सततं सुरेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं भजामि सततं सुरेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं भजामि सततं सुरेश्वरं श्री गजाननयुतं भजामि सततं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं भजामि सततं सुरेश्वरं श्री गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं तक्कतिमि तरिगिड तग तक्कतिमि तरिगिड तग दित्तां तक्किट्ट दिन दित्तां तक्किट्ट दिन अजेन्द्र पूजित विघ्नेश्वरं अजेन्द्र पूजित विघ्नेश्वरं गणाधिसन्नुत पदपद्मकरं गणाधिसन्नुत पदपद्मकरं कुञ्जरवञ्जन चतुरतरकरं कुञ्जरवञ्जन चतुरतरकरं कुञ्जरवञ्जन भजामि सततं कुञ्जरभञ्जन चतुरतरकरं गुरुगुहाग्रजं प्रणवाकारं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं भजामि सततं सूरेश्वरं श्रीगजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं तत्तै तेय्युं तत्तां किडतक तत्तै तेय्युं तळाङ्गु तकत दिङ्गिण तों तां दित्तां किडतक तै तत्तै किडतक तां दित्तां किडतक तै तत्तै किडतक तां दित्तां तै तत्तै 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 तां दित्तां किटतक तै तत्तै किटतक तां दित्तां किटतक तै तत्तै किटतक तां दित्तां तै तत्तै 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 तां दित्तां किटतक तै तत्तै किटतक तां दित्तां किटतक तै तत्तै किटतक तां दित्तां तै तत्तै 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 तां हत किट जमता तत किट किट जमतै तरि किट तों तक तरि किट तों तक दिक्कु तरि किट तों तां द्रिगुतक 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 तळाङ्गु तक तदिंगिण